Ayan, ngayon naman guys, gagawa tayo ng tahina. Alam niyo ba yung tahina guys? It's sesame seeds. Just like this. Sesame seeds, toast natin. Then, we're gonna blend it with olive oil. Yan, just toast until light brown. Then, kung gusto mo ng a little bit spicy, you can add some chili. Ayan. Then, we're gonna blend with some olive oil. Ayan guys, after I blend, ito na siya. Transfer natin dito. Ayan, nilagay ko yung chili oil, this one, para may konti siyang spicy. Ayan, ayan ang tahina guys. Tahina made by toasted sesame seeds. Ayan, wait natin siyang mag-cool down.